I am your guinea pig. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I am just trying different light setting. So here I am using the gimbal with a teeny tiny small light. Later on I will show you this little light. And I turned off the room light and turned off the lamp light. There is natural light and the gimbal on top of gimbal, that little LED light in warm color. And the background, I put some light as kind of profile a little bit. But that's about it. Now you can take a look at the lighting. Now we can take a look at the setting. Here is the microphone. This is the microphone. And this is the little lighting. It is very, very small. Very, very small. And outside lighting, no lamp. Oh, where is the lamp? Lamp, I turn it off. And the roof lighting, I turn it off. And that's what you are seeing. So, what do you think of it? Now, let me put the lighting a little bit lighter, lower. And this is the same warm lighting, but a little bit lower. There's no background shadow and things, I think. But this really cannot catch up my face because it's a little bit too light. Oh, this is lighter. Oh, this is the lightest. I think for this distance, this is good. Don't you think so? And then I can change into different lighting. Oh, yeah, this is change mode. Now I am having red lighting on my face. Blue lighting on my face. This is so funny. Now, this one should be green. Green lighting on my face. Magenta lighting on my face. Turquoise lighting on my face. LED cold lighting on my face. And I think this is the strongest. And still LED lighting lower. That's it. Now we come back to warm lighting. How do you think of it? I think this lighting is relatively better because when you do not have a big fancy facility, you do not have a big house, a studio lighting, maybe one of these small lighting can do the job. Don't you think so? Bye-bye, friends. Oh, look at my hair. I love it. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Maybe next time I change black background. I do not have black background. Anyway, if next time I put the light a little bit closer and make a stronger profile lighting, will be interesting, don't you think so? Bye-bye, friends. For real.